Here is another one of those videos that you might find interesting, and of course another video that will provide you with an idea that you might not have thought about as a way to purchase a prefabricated stringer, something you can get at your local home improvement or lumber yard. That might only have a few steps, however you might need it to be a little longer. And if you're someone who's having a difficult time, or you're just not interested in learning how to cut your own stair stringers, then this video just might make all the difference in the world. And of course the concept is relatively simple and will only require you to purchase one prefabricated stringer and a couple of boards that you can trace your new stringer on. Now the first thing you want to do is either line the front of the stringer up with the front of the board you're going to be using, or line the back of the stringer up, because this process isn't going to work well if you don't have a straight board and something you're going to be able to line the stringer up with while you're sliding it down so that you can trace out the next steps. So after that is done, you can grab a pencil and trace out the stringer so that you end up with something that looks like this. Then you can reposition the stringer. Now I don't recommend repositioning the stringer here, and that's because this line right here might not provide us with the best option. So again, if you can do it, go for it, because you're still going to be lining up the corner here. However, I like to simply bring it back a little bit. You can see here where we're going to use this spot here to line up with the stringer in this spot here. So by doing this, we have a point of reference here, a point of reference here, and a point of reference here that we can line everything up with. And we're not going to have that if we bring the stringer up a little further to where we're only going to have one point of reference, if the bottom of the stair stringer provides us with that. So I will leave it up to you as to which method you want to use to trace out your lines. And if the stair stringer needs to be a little bit longer, then you can simply continue sliding the prefabricated stringer down the board here until you have created a stringer that is going to be long enough for your stair project. And of course, any modifications you need to make to the bottom or the top of the stringer can be made after you have laid everything out. For example, you might need to extend this line over here a little further or bring it back a little further for a variety of different reasons, or the bottom of the stringer might need to be cut to allow for anything that the stringer is going to be sitting on, and of course for the thickness of your tread. And I do have more information on laying out stair stringers in our books and plenty of videos at the website that might provide you with all the information you need to build a set of stairs out of one prefabricated small stair stringer that you have now made into a longer one.